Hello, this is Rick. I'm getting ready to demonstrate making and testing with Stannous Chloride. Right here I have regular muriatic acid, 34%. This right here is regular electrical solder, 60% tin, 40% lead. I don't know if you can read that or not. Anyway, that's what it is. We've got 3 solutions here that I'm going to test. That one's nitric, digest on some contacts out of some relays. I guess I'll show you right quick. These are the relays that I digested. Digested them in nitric, added a little hydrochloric, dropped out silver chloride. I'm going to test the nitric with Stannous Chloride and see if I can get a hit for any palladium. Suspect that it might contain some, but don't know for sure. The other one's an AP tank solution. The other one is a nitric digest on some bismuth that had some gold dissolved into it. It had a bunch of foils like this dissolved in this solution here as well. I'm getting ready to use some of that for this video right quick, demonstrate what I'm doing here, making it. Alright, got some hydrochloric over here in this already. This right here is about a 1-inch piece of this tin lead solder. I'm going to take this, put it in the hydrochloric. Well, it'd be great if I had a stand. It'd make life so much simpler for me, or someone else filming. Anyway, light the torch. You gotta get it hot. So, it's in solution. Go ahead and get this hot. Gotta get it hot enough for it to start bubbling. Let it bubble for a little while, dissolve off some of the tin in it so it creates aqueous Stannous Chloride. And we'll use that to test the solutions here. We get a black reaction or purple reaction, we got gold in solution. We got green or yellow, we got palladium, etc. Solution colors, they're listed. I'm just doing a video right quick to show the reaction color for gold in solution. I'm suspecting I might get a green reaction for palladium on the nitric, but if I do, it's going to digest and dissolve away real quick due to the fact that I'm using hydrochloric here, and that of course is a nitric digest. If I add the two, it's going to create AR. And the reaction color won't stay very long in AR. Duh, it's supposed to be NOx. I'm not going to go through trying to add a hydrochloric to that and knocks it down just so I can test it. I'm just looking for a quick possible indication that that might contain palladium. We know there's gold in this other solution, so we're going to use it for the gold reaction. Rattling my jaw here, giving you something to listen to while I'm doing this test. You don't want to just be doing it and it be totally silent. But that right there is bubbling pretty darn good. Trying to get it where you can see it. Yeah. Now let that boil for at least a couple minutes. And that way we know we got plenty of Stannous in solution. I'm pretty well certain we already do. So just shut off the torch. So I don't fry my hand being stupid. Alright. Sitting there bubbling. Shall take some of the Stannous up in a clean pipette. Got Stannous Chloride in this thing now. Wow. Be careful. I just did something stupid. Tipped it upside down. The temperature difference caused it to spit out like a geyser. Anyway, I guess we can test the solutions in the spot plate with some Stannous first. I'll get to the swab test in a couple minutes. But Stannous in the known gold solution. and you see how black it goes immediately on a known gold solution. Now, this one, we don't know if there's gold in this or not. I don't really see a reaction with that one. Not really much at all. Let's see what happens over here. Move this muriatic jug out of the way. What happens in nitric? We get a black Stannous reaction looking. Wow. I was not expecting that. I figured there was a possibility, but I was not expecting some kind of Stannous reaction on the nitric. You're getting to see it live. I didn't know I was going to get that kind of a reaction off of that. I was just suspecting. But that's a positive hit. The color's all kind of wrong. I'm going to have to reach in it with a swab and actually do it on a swab tip. And of course, there's enough nitric left in this one that it totally redissolved as well. But every time you hit it with Stannous Chloride, that bad boy reacts. It goes black. And to prove that it was this jug, here's my Q-tip here. There we go, and it's totally clean, dry. Dip it over in that. See? Thing is green now. Lay it on that. We'll hit it with a drop of Stannous. And there you go. Goes black. Now, making life difficult for me while I'm putting it on cam. We'll just pour a little drop of this out of this test tube vial here. There we go, it's on the Q-tip. Get a little more Stannous. Get a drop on it. And it changes ever so slowly, but it's nothing compared to this. That is a dark, heavy hit for gold. We know that there is gold in this solution because I put a bunch of foils like those in that and dissolved them in AR. That is a very, very heavy reaction for gold. Black if it's heavy, lavender or purple if it's light. There you have it. Making Stannous Chloride, testing solutions to see if they contain gold or other precious metals. Thanks again.